down back in the gorge on the Washington side. A beautiful sunny day, a little windy, but it's supposed to be 70 today. Going to a waterfall that I've wanted to see for, it's funny how often I say I've been wanting to see these for a long time, but there's just so many to go see that it's hard to get them all in. I'd also like to say I'm really putting off putting my wetsuit on because I went out yesterday and the water was really cold and it's not completely dry yet. It's going to be a brisk walk for sure to the waterfall, but here we go. Actually quite an easy pass so far. Really nice. Not my normal approach, definitely not what I went through yesterday. This is pretty easy so far. A little muddy, but not too bad. How about this for a tree? Super cool looking. How about this for a view? What a path. Not as many birds singing as I would have hoped for, but you can hear the creek in the background and the wind in the trees is a pretty nice sound. Big Dug Bridge, January 2023. Oh, this used to be the old crossing and then somebody went all out and put this bad boy in. Not too bad. I can tell you with certainty now, my worry about freezing in this wetsuit is gone. I'm already getting pretty warm. It's pretty nice outside. I almost wish my wetsuit was still cool. Water levels look pretty good. I don't know if they look too good, that it might be flowing a bit too high, or if this is just right. Oh damn, I just saw the waterfall around the corner. Damn. It looks fun. Here we go.
Lower Archer Falls is a 55-foot beautiful double waterfall that starts by parking at the Forest Service parking area at the old St. Cloud apple orchard. While the trail is only a little under half a mile to Lower Archer Falls, most people don't know this is the backdoor approach to Archer Mountain and ends at Scott Point. The distance to Scott Point is 4.8 miles, elevation gain of over 1,500 feet. But today we're getting up close with this waterfall.
It looks beautiful. Let's go take a closer look. You know what that means. I gotta say, the first part of this trail is pretty easy. There's almost no elevation gain. But to get the closer look I want, we are definitely going uphill. Multiple switchbacks, and carrying a backpack, it is not an easy trek, but it's not too bad. It's a pretty easy path to follow. I will say the higher I get, the hotter it seems to be. Down when we were at creek level, it definitely felt much cooler below the tree line. There are trees up here, but woo, much warmer. It's cool, but it feels so good. I came upstream a little further than I was probably supposed to, just to kind of get a look at the rest of the creek, and It's just a pretty area.
After dropping into the creek, you're met with a beautiful valley, dark forest, and the lovely sound of water creeping through the forest. Here we meet our first rappel, Middle Archer Falls, a 20-foot waterfall with water crashing down two sides. I elected to go on the down creek right side. This puts you in one of the water flows that's a little less extreme, but will definitely wake you up as the water is quite chilly. After this, our first rappel, it's a short 5-minute creek walk to the next set of rappels.
Closer look.
Lower Archer Falls are actually a series of 3 drops. However, the upper 2 drops are hidden by the cliffs, and most people don't know they're there, as the viewing point only lets you see this incredible double waterfall. While hiking out here, I met an old couple that was out just doing maintenance on the trail, and they shared with me that not enough people are hiking to keep this trail worn in, so they're constantly having to go out there and weed whack and keep the vegetation from growing over the path. So if you're looking for a waterfall that not that many people go to and you want to hike it, this is it.
And that was an in-depth look, Lower Archer Falls. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that behind-the-scenes look at this waterfall. It's a beauty, so much fun. Until next time.